Hi everyone, I am Dr. P. Kumari, working as Associate Professor in Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. So today I am going to discuss about non-exact differential equations. So what are the non-exact differential equations and what are the methods we are having to solve non-exact differential equations already we discussed in the previous videos. So here today I am going to explain about the method 2. Method 2, how we can solve non-exact differential equations. We are going to learn here. So what is the method 2 first? So here, if m of x comma y into dx plus n of x comma y into dy equal to 0 is a homogeneous differential equation and mx plus ny not equal to 0. Here, what is the condition? The given equation should be homogeneous differential equation and mx plus ny not equal to 0. Then, what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. This is the integrating factor of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So, what are the 5 methods we are having? Already we discussed. First method is grouping the terms. So, first method is based on the formulas. We are grouping the terms and after that we can solve. So, this is the second method. Here, we are having the condition. The given equation should be homogeneous and mx plus ny should be not equal to 0. Then what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Why you are calculating integrating factor? So to convert exact equation into non-exact equation into exact differential equation, we need integrating factor. So we are going to multiply the given equation with integrating factor, then non-exact differential equation convert into exact differential equation. So how we can solve, how we can multiply to convert non-exact into exact, we can observe by seeing the example here. Solve x square y dx minus of x cube plus y cube into dy equal to 0. So here this is in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. What is the m value here? M value is x square y. What is the n value? N value is minus of x cube plus y cube. Otherwise, so what is the n value? N value is minus of x cube plus y cube. Otherwise, minus x cube minus y cube. So what is the procedure we are going to follow to solve the non-exact differential equation is, as it is procedure was what we followed for the exact. So first we have to compare with m dx plus n dy equal to 0 form. After then we are identifying the m value and n value. And after that, we are going to calculate dou m by dou y value and dou n by dou x value. This should be equal to, then that will be exact differential equation. So here, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. That means this is not exact equation. So what is the procedure we are going to follow here? We are going to calculate the integrating factor based on the method that will be multiplied with given equation. This will be multiplied with given equation to convert into exact equation. So here dou m by dou y. So we are going to calculate dou m by dou y. What is the dou m by dou y value? Here I am doing partial differentiation with respect to y. So that means x square. X is the constant, y value is 1. And dou n by dou x. With respect to x I am doing, so minus derivative of x cube is x square, 3x square plus here minus 0. So because y is the constant. So what is this value? Minus 3x square. So dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. So here this is not exact equation. This is not exact equation. To solve this, we are going to observe the condition here. For this method too, what is the condition? The given equation should be homogeneous. Is it homogeneous or not? We have to check here. So, based on this, we can identify this equation is homogeneous. This equation is homogeneous. So, now this is the homogeneous equation. After the second condition, we have to know about mx plus ny value. So, what is the m value here? M value is here x square y into x y plus n value is x cube minus y cube into y. This value, so x cube y minus x cube y minus y power 4. So x cube y will be cancelled. What is this value? Minus y power 4. So minus y power 4 means this value not equal to 0. This value not equal to 0. So condition is satisfied. The given equation is homogeneous equation and mx plus ny not equal to 0. So that means these two conditions are satisfied. So based on these conditions, so we have to find the integrating factor. So in the next slide, we can see here. So mx plus ny is x into x square y minus y into x cube plus y cube. So minus y power 4, that is only we calculated here. So mx plus ny not equal to 0. So why it should be not equal to 0? Denominator should be undefined value. So then we can't find the value here. So that's why mx plus ny not equal to 0 is must. So here, if it is mx plus ny not equal to 0, what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor equal to 1 by mx plus ny. So what is the mx plus ny value? Minus y power 4. That means this is minus 1 by y power 4. This is the integrating factor. Why we calculating integrating factor? If you multiply the given equation with integrating factor, then non-exact equation can be converted into exact equation. So then we can find a general solution for the given equation. So we are going to multiply the equation 1 by mx plus ny, we are going to calculate here. 1 by mx plus ny value is minus 1 by y power 4. So we are multiplying with given equation x square y into minus 1 by y power 4 into dx minus x cube plus y cube into minus 1 by y power 4 into dy equal to 0. So now this will be cancelled. So minus x square by y cube into dx minus plus x cube plus y cube by y power 4 into dy equal to 0. So now here minus x square by y cube into dx plus this will be x cube plus y cube by y power 4 into dy equal to 0. So now we got into the form, it is m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So m1 dx plus n1 dy, why we are writing this form m1 dx plus n1 dy, we got the new values for the m1. So m1 equal to minus x square by y cube and n1 value is x cube plus y cube by y power 4. So after this, we are going to check about dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Then we can say that the equation is exact differential equation. Then we can find the general solution here. So that's why first we are calculating dou m1 by dou y. So with respect to y, we are doing x square is the constant. So here derivative of y cube is nothing but minus 3 by y power 4. So finally this value is 3x square by y power 4. This is the value of dou m1 by dou y. So next we are going to calculate dou n1 by dou x. Respect to x we are doing. So here x cube by y power 4 plus here y cube by y power 4 means 1 by y. So for the first term, 1 by y power 4 is the constant. Derivative of x cube is x square. So here, for this is only y term. So this is constant. So this will be 0. So finally this value is 3x square by y power 4. So here dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. So this is equal. So then we can say that this is the exact differential equation. This is the exact differential equation. So what is the procedure we followed after the exact differential equation? We are going to calculate the general solution. What is the general solution? Integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy equal to c. What is the m1 value here? Integral minus x square by y cube dx plus integral. Here for the n we are going to take free from the x. That means only y terms. So already we are having the only y term here. So 1 by y dy. So integral. So integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy equal to c. So integral, what is m1 value? Minus x square by y cube dx plus integral 1 by y dy equal to c. So here with respect to x we are doing 1 by y cube is the constant. Integral x square dx plus integral 1 by y dy equal to c. So here minus 1 by y cube, integral x square is x cube by 3 plus integral 1 by y is log y equal to c. So finally this is minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y equal to c. So this is our general solution. So what is the procedure we followed here? First, we are checking about is the given equation is homogeneous and mx plus ny should be not equal to 0. So then we are finding the integrating factor. Why you are finding the integrating factor? If you multiply with integrating factor, non-exact equation is converted into exact equation. Now then we can find the general solution. This is the procedure we are following here to solve the non-exact differential equation. So to get the better clarity about these problems, I am going to explain one more example here. See this, solve y into y square minus 2x square into dx plus x into 2y square minus x square into dy equal to 0 here. So now see y into y square minus 2x square into dx plus x into 2y square minus x square into dy equal to 0. First, as it is procedure what we followed for the exact equation, first we are following that step. That is m dx plus n dy equal to 0. We are comparing with this equation. What is the m value? M value is y into y square minus 2x square. And what is the n value here? X into 2y square minus x square. So finally, we are going to calculate dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. So based on this value, we are going to decide about the given equation. So dou m by dou y, that means we are going to do the partial differentiation with respect to y. So this is y cube minus 2x square y. This is the value. So we are doing the partial differentiation with respect to y here. So for the y cube differentiation is 3y square minus 2x square is the constant, y value is 1. So finally this value is 2y square minus 2x square. That is a dou m by dou y. Now what about the dou n by dou x? I am doing with respect to x. So 2y square is the constant, x value is 1 minus x into x square is x cube. X cube derivative is 3x square. So this value is 2y square minus 3x square. So dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. That means given equation is not exact equation. The given equation is not exact equation. So what we are going to do after finding this, if it is not exact equation, we are going to follow the methods. First method, we are grouping the terms. So there is no possibility to group the terms here. So what is the second method? Second method is we are going to observe the given equation is homogeneous or not. After that, mx plus ny should be not equal to 0. Then 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. So that's why second one will be suitable to here. So given equation is homogeneous equation. So first condition is satisfied. We are going to calculate the second condition here. What is the second condition? Mx plus ny is equal to m value. What is the m value? This is x into m value is y into y square minus 2x square. So this value is xy into y square. So xy cube minus 2x cube. So this is xy cube minus 2x cubed y. 2x cubed y. This is the value of mx plus ny. So y into n value is x into 2y square minus x square. 2y square minus x square. So xy into 2y square is 2xy cube. 2xy cube minus here xy into minus x square. So minus x cubed y. Minus x cubed y. So finally here minus 2x cubed y minus 2x cubed y is minus 3x cubed y. And xy cube and plus 2xy cube is 3xy cube. So finally we are taking common here 3xy. So here y square is there minus here x square is there. This should be not equal to 0. So mx plus ny also not equal to 0. So finally what we are going to find? We are going to find the integrating factor. So what is the integrating factor here? So integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. 1 by mx plus ny. So 1 by mx plus ny value is 3xy into y square minus x square. 3xy into y square minus x square. So we are going to multiply the given equation with this integrating factor to get the solution. So now I am multiplying the given equation with the integrating factor here. So what is the given equation? Y into y square minus 2x square by 3xy into y square minus x square into dx plus what is the n value? X into 2y square minus x square multiplying with the integrating factor, that is 1 by 3xy into y square minus x square into dy equal to 0. Now we got the value m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. So we are going to simplify this one. So here dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. So that means this is the exact equation. We are going to simplify here to get the general solution. So see here, I am simplifying this one. Here we have y will be cancelled and x will be cancelled. Finally we got y square minus 2x square by 3 into y square minus x square. Here also into dx plus here 2y square minus x square by 3y. Here x3 3y into y square minus x square into dy equal to 0. So now we are going to simplify this equation. You can observe here. So y square minus 2x square by 3x into y square minus x square into dx plus y square, 2y square minus x square by 3y into y square minus x square into dy equal to 0. So now we are going to simplify this. So first 3 is the constant. I can take it out. So finally, and here I am going to simplify. I am writing this one as y square minus x square minus x square. Why? Because already we are having the denominator value y square minus x square. To separate that term, I am writing here. So 3x into y square minus x square into dx plus here I am writing 2y square as y square plus y square minus x square. I am separating the term here. 3y into y square minus x square dy equal to 0. Now I am separating the terms here. Y square minus x square. Already I told you. So 3 will be cancelled when you are taking common and sending to the HS part. So y square minus x square by x into y square minus x square into dx. I am separating the terms. Minus x square by x into y square minus x square into dx plus here y square by y into y square minus x square into dy plus y square minus x square by y into y square minus x square into dy equal to 0. Equal to 0. So here y square minus x square will be cancelled. Here x will be cancelled. Here y will be cancelled. In the last term y square minus x square will be cancelled. Finally I got here 1 by x dx minus here x dx by y square minus x square plus 1 by y dy plus y dy by y dy by y square minus x square equal to 0. This is only that equation. This is only that equation we got here. We are going to simplify the remaining also. See here dx by x minus x dx by y square minus x square plus y dy by y square minus x square plus dy by y equal to 0. Now here we are going to integrate the function. First integral here dx by x, okay, minus derivative of y square minus x square with respect to y is the constant, so 0. So here x square derivative is 2x. That's why I am multiplying with the 2 and dividing with the 2 here. So 2x dx by 2 into y square minus x square plus here also I am going to multiply and divide with the 2. 2y dy by y square minus x square plus dy by y equal to 0. Now I am having the form here to integrate the function now. So integration on both sides. So integral dx by x minus integral 2x dx by 2 into y square minus x square plus integral 2y dy by y square minus x square plus integral dy by y equal to c. So integral 1 by x is log x minus here 1 by 2 into, so f dash of x by f of x bar. So log fx. So log fx is y square minus x square plus here also 1 by 2 log y square minus x square. So x square derivative is minus 2x here. So we will get here minus here x. So now plus log y equal to c. Here also this will be plus. So finally log, here I am writing the log form here. This 1 by 2 log y square minus x square plus 1 by 2 log y square minus x square will be 1. So log x plus log y square minus x square plus log y equal to log c. So all terms are in log, so that's why I'm taking here. So log of x into y square minus x square equal to log c. So finally answer is xy into y square minus x square equal to c. This is the general solution of given equation. So here little bit one term is not there. So xy into y square minus x square equal to c. So here I can write plus of minus. Then it will be clear to you. So this is the way to solve the given differential non-exact differential equation. So here just I want to recall the procedure again. So what is the procedure we are going to follow here to solve the non-exact differential equation in method 2. So what is the first step we are doing? First we are comparing with the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. After that we are writing what is the m value and what is the n value. So second step we are going to calculate dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x value. Is it equal or not equal? We are going to calculate. If it is not equal, we are moving for the integrating factor based on the methods. We are having 5 methods. First, we are seeing here second method. In the first method, grouping the terms. In first method, grouping the terms. And second method, you should be homogeneous equation and mx plus ny not equal to 0. Then 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. So after calculating the integrating factor, multiply the given equation with integrating factor. So then we are going to get the exact differential equation. What is that? Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. So that means we are getting here exact differential equation. After getting the exact differential equation, in the last step we are going to find the general solution, that is integral m dx plus integral n dy equal to c. This is the procedure we followed here in the method 2. I hope you understand these problems very clearly. For more problems and more examples, you can refer these textbooks. B.S. Gravel, title is Higher Engineering Mathematics, and a textbook of Engineering Mathematics written by N.P. Bali and Manish Goyal, and one more textbook, Higher Engineering Mathematics, written by V.V. Ramana, and one more textbook you can use, that is Engineering Mathematics. Title is Engineering Mathematics, written by T.K.V. Iyengar and S. Chand Publications. So you can observe and you can refer these textbooks to get the more clarity and to get the more example problems. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.